Totally. How important is it for us to have a positive mindset while accomplishing and going towards our goals? What are your thoughts about it? How important is it? Like, can we not get the task done when we're in a bad mood?
I would say it's extremely vital. And if you look at neuroscience studies, they all show that when you are in a more positive frame of mind, you have the clarity in order to make better decisions about what priorities are and then implement those decisions. So that chain reaction of what happens within seconds or with minutes, that all goes back to that positive mindset. Now, having said that, is it realistic to think that you can be 100% positive 100% of the day? No, because you will experience something that upsets you or saddens you or makes you a little anxious. The key is, can you get refocused back into the positive zone as quickly as possible? So instead of feeling chaos for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, can you allow yourself to be a human, feel that chaos for a few minutes, and then move on?